Welcome to Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native, video number 127. In this video, you could learn the possessive pronoun to understand how we use it in Tamil. In this video, let us learn how to say in Tamil the equivalent of possessive pronoun of English. My, his, their, this is what we are going to learn. ஏன், அவனோட, அவங்களோட, etc. There are three ways to say that in spoken Tamil, which is what we are going to learn. Alright, so now I have made a small table for you to understand so that anytime you want to come back and then have a reference here, it makes it easy for you. On to the extreme left, you will see my, your, his, her, and now I hope you can understand what a personal pronoun is. And to the right, I made it a little darker, that is ennoda, that is mine. And there's a lighter green, which is ennodaya. That is a nicer way of saying it. It's a little more formal, but people not very commonly say that. But it's nicer. If you want, you can say that, but at least get used to the sound. So the most common one is ennoda, and what you see on the right, yen. Ennoda, yen. Just imagine my house, ennoda வீடு, yen வீடு. The next one is உன்னோட, உன். Your house, you can say உன்னோட, உன். People use it interchangeably. You could hear some people saying உன்னோட or some people saying உன், and even the same person can be saying that interchangeably. Sometimes they say உன், உன்னோட. Both are fine. உன்னோட, உன், உன். Though it is written as un, when people say that, you'll hear it as un. That's the right one way of saying it. அவனோட, அவன். அவனோட வீடு, அவன் வீடு. அவளோட office, அவ office. அவளோட office, அவ office. அதோட office, அது office. It's அதோட is we use it for it, her, his, that is it's, her, his. அதோட, அது. அவங்களோட, that is a little more formal or a respectful tone. அவங்களோட, அவங்க. அவங்களோட or அவங்க, both are fine. அவரோட, அவர். அவர். Though it is written our, when people say that, you'll hear it as avaru. அவரோட office, our office. எங்களோட, எங்க. எங்களோட பிரச்சனை or problem. நம்மோட, நம்ம. I hope you understand the difference between, I have earlier taught in one of the videos, difference between enga and namma. You can go and check it if you want. Next one is avangaloda, that is there. Avangaloda, avanga. அவங்களோட college. அவங்க college. அதுங்களோட or அதுங்க. அதுங்க is a less respectful tone. அதுங்களோட, அதுங்க. My name is Arun or Meena. ஏன், என்னோட, என்னுடைய. பேரு Arun or Meena. So you have the choice of saying ஏன், என்னோட, என்னுடைய. Any one of them is fine. The cute little boy is Arun and that pretty little girl's name is Meena. They could say ஏன், பேரு Arun. என்னோட பேரு Arun or என்னுடைய பேரு Arun. Or Meena can also say என்னுடைய பேரு Meena. என்னோட பேரு Meena or என் பேரு Meena. As I said earlier, ye and ennoda is the most commonly used, but you can also say ennodia. Children would definitely use the first form, that is ye, and sometimes ennoda, but very rarely would you hear ennodia, especially if they are saying that too slowly. Still, it seldom happens. I would be both surprised and happy if I heard something like that. You're unnecessarily interfering in his matters or affairs. அவன் or அவனோட விஷயத்துல நீங்க அனாவசியமா தலையிடுறீங்க. Imagine they are having an argument about one of them overstepping and they are talking about someone being affected, that is him. It could be her brother. Since it is நீங்க assuming that they are married couple, we could infer that she is saying that to him because the formal நீங்க is used. அவன் விஷயத்துல நீங்க அனாவசியமா தலையிடுறீங்க or அவனோட விஷயத்துல நீங்க அனாவசியமா தலையிடுறீங்க. You are unnecessarily interfering in his matters. அவன் or அவனோட விஷயத்துல in his matters, affairs, நீங்க you அனாவசியமா தலையிடுறீங்க. You are unnecessarily interfering. அவனோட விஷயத்துல நீங்க அனாவசியமா தலையிடுறீங்க. You could use the third option அவனோடைய, but I'm not going to repeat that always lest it is boring for you. But if you want to use that, that's fine. Necessary, that is avasiyam, and unnecessary is anavasiyam. If there's a necessity, I shall step in. அவசியம் இருந்தா நான் தலையிடுறேன். I hope you get it now. Unnecessary is just the opposite, anavasiyam, which is what we say in a phrase, which is what we saw in a phrase right now. Now that we have 127 videos, and that is a lot of effort and time, and I hope some of you are finding it useful. In that case, please subscribe and press the bell icon, because the more and more people use it, I'll be getting more and more feedback, and in return I make more and more videos. So it's, as I told you before, and as what I have been always telling, this channel and these videos are out and out. It depends on your feedback, your suggestions, and what you write and what you want. So for that reason, it'd be very helpful for me to have more subscribers sending suggestions, inputs, ideas, etc. So please subscribe, press the bell icon to be notified of new videos so you're not missing any videos. Let us do our work. Let them do their work. நம்ம நம்மோட வேலையை நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் or நாம பார்க்கலாம். அவங்களோட வேலையை அவங்க பார்க்கட்டும். Let us do our work. Let them do their work. நம்மோடைய வேலையை, our work, நம்ம or நாம பார்க்கலாம். Let us mind or let us look after. And colloquially we could use நம்ம or நாம to mean let us. அவங்க வேலையை, that is their work, அவங்க பார்க்கட்டும். Let them mind or let them take care of. நம்ம வேலையை நம்ம பார்ப்போம், அவங்க வேலையை அவங்க பார்க்கட்டும். or நம்மோட வேலையை நம்ம பார்ப்போம், அவங்களோட வேலையை அவங்க பார்க்கட்டும். And there is no such rule as you start with நம்ம and then you have to say அவங்க. நம்ம வேலையை நம்ம பார்ப்போம், அவங்க வேலையை. No, you can say நம்ம வேலை and then you can follow that with அவங்களோட. Or we say நம்மோட and then say அவங்க instead of அவங்களோட. There is no such rule as you have to keep up the gait or the style. Just feel free to use நம்ம நம்மோட, அவங்க அவங்களோட. Don't worry, just say anything you want. It's நம்ம தமிழ், it's our Tamil. நம்ம தமிழ் or நம்மளோட தமிழ் or நம்மளுடைய தமிழ். By the by, if you folks are interested, sometime we can have a live conversation. We can have something like a live video, and maybe in a Zoom or in a YouTube. We'll try to fix a time. May not be immediately now, but sometime to understand how we can make this channel work, because as of now I'm getting a very few feedback, so I have no idea how I should go about this. So some inputs from you could be very helpful, very valuable for me to direct this channel. So I'm looking forward to hear from you. If you're interested, please send a mail to me and we'll fix a time. We'll have a conversation. We'll discuss. Thank you. Why are you taking her mobile? Give it back. Imagine you are saying that to the boy who has taken his sister's mobile. It is common for you to hear adu for her in some circle of people, and some people use ava. அதோட மொபைல் நீ ஏன் எடுக்கிற திருப்பி கொடு அது மொபைல் நீ ஏன் எடுக்கிற திருப்பி கொடு Why are you taking her mobile? Give it back. அதோட மொபைல் her mobile நீ ஏன் எடுக்கிற Why are you taking This sound is to add effect here. It can be used in various contexts that we can see in a different video when we have more viewers. But for now, it is just to add to that irritated tone of why. Why do you take her mobile? திருப்பி கொடு Give it back. அதோட மொபைலை நீ ஏன் எடுக்கிற திருப்பி கொடு அது மொபைல் நீ ஏன் எடுக்கிற திருப்பி கொடு When we wish to use a proper noun, there are two ways to use it. Using only the noun or noun plus order. Let us see some examples to understand. You could choose to forget the grammar term, noun, proper noun, etc. Even I don't like it. This is Sir's bike. I'll give it to him tomorrow. We're not saying his, but instead we are saying Sir's. Either Sir or Saroda bike. Either Sir bike or Saroda bike. நாளைக்கு கொடுத்துடுவேன் We could use Sir or Saroda. Either Sir bike, either Saroda bike. Who is Japan's Prime Minister? Japan Prime Minister யாரு or Japanoda Prime Minister யாரு I've used the English term Prime Minister just as a casual Tanglish sentence. It is Tamil mixed with English. We say Tanglish. But Prime Minister is Pradhamar. Pradhamar. Who took Vanita's laptop? Vanitaவோட laptop. That is, you could say Vanita or Vanitaவோட or Vanitaவோடைய. That is rare, but Vanitaவோடைய, you can also use that. But get used to it. Laptop எடுத்தது யாரு Vanita laptop எடுத்தது யாரு Vanitaவோட laptop எடுத்தது யாரு or Vanitaவோட laptop எடுத்தது யாரு See this Vanitaவோடைய I'll when I say odaya I'll do that a little faster. Usually it will not be Vanitavodaya. No. Say Vanitavodaya. Vanita or Vanitaவோட Vanitavodaya. Laptop எடுத்தது யாரு I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel that you have usefully spent your time and wish to learn more, send suggestions and I'm eagerly looking forward to them. All the best. Vanakkam.